Hello. Today we have a new open box. This is a new heat press that works with Bluetooth. So I'm really excited to open it with you guys. This is from OFFNOVA and he offers a better price than other brands and he offers Bluetooth as well. So that's kind of cool. Anyway, let's open it together. So let's talk about this packing because I always loved how OFFNOVA do their packaging for some reason. They always send you something to try your machine with. In this case, they sent me these 3 iron-ons this summertime that I really love. I love this heart and the lion. So this is pretty cool, and they sent me this, a little baggie to put your heat press inside if you want to, and of course the instructions where of course they show you how to use the machine, but they actually add in here the other way about the app that you need to download to work with your machine with. Is the OFFNOVA Heat is the app that you need to download in your phone. If you have Google Play or Apple Store, you can use it. So I mean, we will get into that soon, but I just want to show you guys a little bit of the packaging. We have here the heat press, of course. You have your on and off button, the heat, the time, up and down, like always. Pretty amazing, not super light. I really love that. It's not heavy at all. This is what I consider their small size. If you're into heat presses, you know, this is pretty small. It works like it's perfect for shirts and that kind of stuff. It's amazing. So we will use it. I just want to show you guys about the packaging, but I want to show you guys about the app. So like you saw, I went and downloaded the app, and you can see here the app. The name is OFFNOVA Heat. You can find it in Google Play or Apple Store. I have it on my app, the app on my tablet, but you can download it on your phone, so that way maybe it's easier for you. The only thing that you have to connect it, the Bluetooth, you have to turn it on, so that way it connects it to the machine. That is amazing. And something else, like you can pick you know, what material are you using for the vinyl or for the, you know, shirt or whatever you're putting your vinyl in, and it will tell you what temperature you should use, and it shows you a video here, as you can see. That is amazing. You don't need a person like me for YouTube to tell you what to do. It tells you right there what should you do, and it tells you like to preheat the shirt and etc. So that's kind of amazing from a machine, and I love OFFNOVA from that kind of stuff. You know, like they are very, very, very doing innovation. So that's amazing to do. And this machine is brand new. It's coming out, I think, at the end of this month. So you're actually, you know, you can see it and check it out if you like it. This is like a medium size, so it's perfect like to do shirts or any like wallets or anything like that. So that's amazing. This is the size that you know you should have for a shirt or anything like that. So you should check it out. But today I'm gonna do a shirt with the vinyl that they sent me because I love it so much. The vinyl they sent me here. I'm gonna do this one. It's just vinyl, so I'm just gonna use this one to put it in a shirt because I really do love it, and I have a shirt that is perfect for it. So I'm gonna do this one. So let's continue. So here we go. This was perfect. I can't say anything else. This was amazing. The machine gets you everything that you need. If you follow this, it will give you the 5-second count. It will give you the 30-second count. I mean, this is depending on what material and what vinyl you're using, but it gave me the 5 seconds preheat, the 30 seconds to put the vinyl, and another 15 seconds just to put the heat press in the other side. So it was amazing and perfect. I did not have any problems in taking this out. So I think was amazing. They're not like I always say to you guys, they're, you know, I'm not getting paid to do this, you know. So if you like something like this that you can control with Bluetooth and it will give you the perfect temperature, everything that you need, this is the machine you want. I like to show you guys what machines I like. If I don't like something, I will not show the videos. So if you like this machine, you can grab it. If not, there's another machine for you. But this is, compared to others, the price for this, it's amazing and perfect compared to other brands. This machine is, like I said, it's coming out soon. I think when this video comes out, I think the machine comes out actually. So it's kind of perfect. And it's, I didn't have zero problems in putting this in my shirt. And I mean, this was a plain shirt and now has an amazing heart. You don't have to do this, but I like the heart, and I had I had a shirt there that I wanted to put something, if you're a crafty person, if you have just a regular plain shirt, you want something on it. So this was perfect for me. So anyway, if you like this video, please press like, share, and like always, God bless you. See you in the next video.